Chapter Triangles, Class 10, CBSE. Basic Proportionality Theorem. The statement of basic proportionality theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same proportion. That means if there is a triangle ABC and a line BE is drawn parallel to BC, it will divide the remaining two sides, that is AB and AC, in the same proportion. That means AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC if D is parallel to BC. If D is parallel to BC. So given a triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, to prove AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC, construction from D draw perpendicular DM and from E draw perpendicular EN and join BE and CD. Now here this is perpendicular here, this is perpendicular. So given a triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, to prove AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC, construction from D draw perpendicular DM on AE and EN on AD and join BE and CD. Now proof. In triangle ADE and triangle EBD, both are having the same altitude, that is common, that is any. Both are having same altitude, that is any. Now we have to here NE is perpendicular to AD and DM is perpendicular to AE, join BE and CD. Now area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEB is equal to half into, here you see ADE, the base is AD and the altitude is NE. So half into AD into NE upon area of DBE is equal to, the base is BD but the altitude is NE, which is lying outside the triangle. Therefore that is area will be half into BD into NE. Half cancelled, NE cancelled, so that is equal to AD upon BD. Be relation number 1. Now you see, similarly in triangle ADE and triangle DEC, you see, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC is equal to half into the base is AE and the altitude is DM, half into AE into DM upon half into area of DEC, the base is EC and the altitude is DM, that is EC into DM. Similarly, DM cancelled here, half cancelled here, that is equal to AE upon EC. This can be considered as a relation number 2. Now you see the left hand side of the equation number 1 and equation number 2, numerator is same, and we also know area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle DEC, because DEB and DEC have equal areas because they are formed on the same base DE and between same parallels DE and DC. So area DEB is equal to area DEC. Therefore, left hand side of equations 1 and 2 are same. Therefore, equating RHS of both the equations, you get AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. This is the proof of basic proportionality here.